What's going on, YouTube? How's everybody doing? Okay, I'm still here making a couple of videos. I haven't had time to either work on the M54B30 3.0 BMW engine, and then on the rotary for the Dorito, on the Red Devil. The owner didn't flake, it's just I guess he ran out of money, so that build is in hold. They have more rotary parts on the floor, like I have it everywhere. I don't know if those are recycled. What are those? Let's see. Oh, I think it's for a recycle. I didn't get rid of this one yet. If someone needs the timing cord for a RX8, let me know. Here's one. And this is the front or rear. The front iron, front plate. Still clean too. I still have to clean it up. I was gonna throw it away, but if anyone needs it, let me know. It's for free. Just cover the shipping. Anyways, the main reason why I'm doing this video, it's because since the Red Devil is in hold, and then my other build's already done, I still want more for a customer. I haven't even opened it yet. It's all the way on the other side, next on the neighbor's parking lot, you can say. But anyway, I was thinking of making a new build, and this build is gonna be for one of you guys. You guys are gonna get to keep it. I'm gonna provide everything on the engine, but there's a catch. I have too many parts, like hundreds of parts. Apex seals, corner seals, everything for the closing kit. So the main goal, let's start with the name of the project. The name is gonna be Project Recycle. Yes, like recycle, like we're gonna recycle aluminum, we're gonna recycle any part. So the main goal is this: I'm gonna use every part I have in here, like my own or all parts that I will think they're reusable, but I usually throw them away. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep them, or some of the ones I have in here. I'm gonna build the full engine for one of you guys. Anyone who lives in LA, maybe other people wants to drive by, come by to LA once the engine is done. So anyone can drive by to LA, get them. I'm not gonna ship it. It's not gonna be shipped. Someone is gonna have to drive on a pickup truck and pick them up. So what engine is gonna be? It's gonna be a 13B from Mazda RX8. So if anyone out there has a blown engine on your RX8, stick shift or automatic, let me know what's the car you're gonna drop it in. So it's gonna consist on this. I'm gonna provide everything: irons, rotors, e-shaft. The engine is gonna be complete, closed, ready for you. The only thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need either to install you're gonna have to install all your accessories, by intake, the headers, your oil pan. No, I'll provide you an oil pan. So all you're gonna need is injectors, you're gonna need your intake, you're gonna need all the electronics, everything. I'm just gonna give you the engine, the block, the keg. So how am I gonna do this? For the closing kit on the rotors, I have too many, like many. This is not even half of what I have for the apex seals, corner seals, the oil control rings, the side seals, the springs. I have everything. So most of these parts are reusable. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna get parts from this. That's why it's gonna be called the project. The name is gonna be called Recycle or Recycling. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna recycle all these parts, like the apex seals. Most of these, I've rebuilt engines. They have like the front rotor has good compression on the three corners, but when I rebuild it, I get everything new. And then I always keep the apex seals just mainly to scrub between the grooves, so I can scrub the carbon build or whatever. So that's why I have so many parts. This is not even half of the parts I have for the apex seals on stuff, side seals and everything. So I'm gonna go through all of them, through all the parts. I'm gonna make sure they're between specs. So that's why I need a guinea pig, someone out there with a blown engine. They're willing to drop in that engine I'm gonna build. Most likely, or mainly, the main goal is to see if any of these parts are reusable, and if they are, and then the engine runs fine and it lasts maybe like 2, 3, 4, 5 months. Hey, why not? Maybe I can start building those engines, and then everything is free. You guys are not gonna pay for nothing. That's why you guys are gonna drive by to LA, and then you guys are gonna pick up the engine. So recycle, it's gonna be the it's comment below. Let me know any good name for the build. But yeah, I will be building an engine for one of you guys with recycled parts. Most of the parts are good, like 2 millimeters apex seals. They're like, man, like half of all these parts, they're between specs. I'll just have to get it out, clean it up, polish it, sand it down, whatever it has to be done, and then make sure they're all between specs. And even though before one of you takes the engine home, I will be doing a compression test on it. Make sure all the 6 corners are fine. Maybe using 2-piece corner seals. I also have some Atkins use solid corner seals. So man, that's about it. So this engine is gonna be for one of you. Just drop a comment below. Yeah, I don't matter if you like, wow, Texas, Arizona, you guys want to drive down here, just pick up the engine, because it's not gonna be shipped. It's not gonna be sent over. You guys are gonna have to pick them up. But yeah, it's gonna be the project, and it will start today. Gonna go through all these parts. At home I have way more. Another little box inside I have more. So start looking up. Let me try to show you how it's gonna look. Let's go see the other keg. This one right here is for our customer. I'm gonna rebuild. So this is how the engine is gonna look. Well, it's not gonna have the flywheel. It's not gonna have the intake. It's not gonna have the housing. It's not gonna have the water pump. Of course, it's gonna come with the timing cover. So everything is gonna be in there. But even the OMP, I'm gonna leave an OMP with the lines and everything. I will be leaving the OMP pump. So the only thing you guys are gonna need is gonna be, I also had to make sure you guys have to leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys who wants it, and then see who has a 4-port or 6-port, so I can go ahead and get it done. And then because if it's gonna be a 6-port, I have to get the 6-port, use the 6-port irons. If it's a 4-port, the 4 irons. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look. It's gonna be as a keg. It's gonna be empty, flat, no intake. You know what? I'm gonna let the flywheel and everything. You guys are gonna do the intake and injectors. Other than that, it's gonna be straightforward. So yeah, that's about it. So leave a comment below who's willing or who has a blown engine on their RX8, so we can swap that one. It's just gonna be like a test, but I'm positive it's gonna work. It's gonna have some good months life on it. All you gotta do, leave a comment below who wants it, and also who a good name for the build. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.